Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert. You know, for many of us, we want to make sure that our home is protected, and newer technology makes that so much more easier these days. This is called the Honeywell Lyric, and this is a sensor that you can purchase for under $100. The idea behind the Lyric is that it will detect if the temperatures actually drop or get too high in a home, as well as a leak detector that you can pair with your smartphone. And so that if there were to be an issue where the furnace went out and you live in a colder climate and dropped below freezing, it would send you a mobile alert. Or if there was a leak, let's say that the water heater were to burst, or you had a sump pump that failed, if you live in an area where you have a sump pump, that cord just drapes and lies on the bottom of the floor there, and if it gets wet, will send you that mobile alert. All you have to do is put batteries inside the unit, which last about a year. The actual app will tell you what the battery life is, but it's usually about a year. You pair it with your phone and with the Wi-Fi in your home, and you're protected. It's that simple. If you need more information or have some questions, just leave it at the bottom of this video.